We are in Alber. We just came from Benidorm town and it is pouring rain. This is an authentic summer rain. There's thunderstorms everywhere. Enjoy it with us. Hopefully we won't get sick. The curious thing is that it just started to rain literally a minute ago, maybe 40 seconds ago. It started to rain out of nowhere. We are right next to the main avenue here in Alber, just 2 kilometers from Benidorm, which it feels like there it is almost without any kind of clouds, but here it is raining. Tourists are sheltering everywhere they can, even locals, which is quite strange. We didn't expect this rain whatsoever. It wasn't anywhere in the charts, in the information boards. Shouldn't be happening, but hey, all of a sudden a rain is nice, unless it brings more humidity. So we'll see how we'll feel after this. Terraces are, I do have some people though. People are sheltering on the inside. Many are heading from the beach quick to their holiday destination points, to their hotels, the park hotels. Look at this. People are rushing, but it's not cold. Honestly, it's not such a cold, it's a proper summer rain, I would say. Quite nice, which is why you can still see quite a bit of people everywhere. Some don't even use umbrellas. We do have one because we always have it in the car just in case. People on the terraces. The only thing is that it is slippery, but apart from that, oh my goodness. This wasn't supposed to happen. Where did this rain come from? This wasn't supposed to happen. It shouldn't be raining in the area, but it is. People are covering with the towels. Some are soaking wet, obviously. This is curious. People are just stopping on the inside of the Chinese shops, just trying to shelter. Oh, look at probably these are the clouds responsible for this rain. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, literally, this came here out of nowhere. That is bizarre. That's how you can trust the weather, you guys. It wasn't supposed to rain in here at all. It was supposed to be a usual typical evening, everything as normal, but then all of a sudden we've heard thunderstorms. And literally in question of a few minutes, the rain started to pour. I do feel like it is still here, but I do feel like the rain might disappear soon. So it was just like a few minutes thing. Although right there in front we have still these ugly clouds, so we'll see how it goes. Some people are using the, oh, that's actually really smart. Some people are using the beach umbrellas to cover themselves, like the ones that they use basically for the beach whenever they go, like sun, for the sun. People use these right now to cover up for the rain. But a lot of people right now are sheltering in the bars though. You'll be able to see it in a second. We are right by the Netherlands bars. We have another one, bar players right there. Many people are inside right now, or at least waiting here for the summer rain to pass. It's not as bad though. It's not a pouring rain, you know, it's just a little bit of summer rain. And it is quite bad for us because we are constipated. We're ill. Well, I am technically. So for myself, it is not the best thing. Had fever yesterday, and now I was caught in a rain. So let's pray that I wouldn't catch even a bigger flu with all this. Hopefully, it's not going to be the case. By now, people already don't care. People just walk around. Oh, look at this. They've closed the stairs and they've opened this, which is not slippery, which is good. Don't know why they did it. Maybe they'll be reorganizing these stairs, but hey, brand new promenade is almost ready to go. This is incredible. Looks really, really lovely. You can still hear some thunder. And that is exactly behind the mountains right there, where you can see it's the darkest. That's where it is. However, here it starts to pass. We'll see. It's gonna be the case. We'll see what's happening on the beach right now, because I can see so many people just going from the beach, running. Basically, it should be empty probably by now, with an exception of maybe a few who are just diving in the sea. Look at that, it's empty. There were so many people on the beach right now. It was insane. A lot of people. It's full. I mean, it's the peak summer season. It's 1st of August today, so there's quite a lot of people in the area. But hey, all this is empty. Couple of people swimming. Others are sitting right there below these giant tents. And Promenade, which is slippery as you cannot even imagine. Really dangerous, so we have to walk careful. But this is interesting. Out of nowhere, this weather came to our region, and the worst is right there in Altea. You can see how the skies look like there. So it's definitely in the mountains out there in Altea. Bizarre. Look at that. People are walking carefully because it is slippery, you guys. It is so slippery, it is impossible. So people are walking here. We're probably gonna go to the brand new promenade part because it's less slippery there. That's for sure. Don't know who invented these marble floors here on the promenade. That's the most stupid thing they've done. But look at this. It is raining and people don't care. People just enjoy a walk. Many of them don't have an umbrella. I don't think yeah, it is still necessary, especially for us that we are quite ill. But there's plenty of people everywhere about and around. Did you see the lightning right now? I'm quite sure we've caught it on camera. I'm quite sure. My goodness. And this promenade is open already to people. Look at this. All this promenade is open already. They've just left the parts where they're going to be putting some plants. But that's the only thing. All the rest is open for people to have a walk. Alehop, the cow shop, right here nearby. And this is when it gets the busiest. This is when there's so many people out there. Backed up. It is non-stop lightning sounds out there. Oof. And we have to go back to this part of the promenade, which I don't like at all, because the other one is closed, so we have to go here. But we're not the only ones. It is packed up with people. Let's go to this side because it's slightly safer. Oh, there we go. Very strange weather, unexpected. In Benidorm it probably will not be raining. I'm quite sure it might be even sunny. But this is why we tell you it is very different. The weather is extremely different depending on where you go. Here it might be raining, which was the case actually. And then, oh my god. And then there's other areas like Benidorm where it isn't raining, or the other way around. So you never know. Just a couple of kilometers do make a difference for our region. That's how it normally is. Alber land, this is the fun fair, by the way. That's here in summertime up until the children's holidays are over, like summer holidays. And then as usual, which before it was right there where the new promenade is done, but now they've moved the fair to this side, especially the crafts market. This is the part that they've moved. Plenty of children's play areas right there, bouncing beds, cocktails, snacks, waffles, and then obviously the market part, which is this one right here. They have plenty of shops here that are starting to open now in the evening. And then on this side they do have like a crafts market where you can purchase accessories, different types of gifts, and I suppose it will be almost empty now because it was raining quite a lot. Now the rain almost stopped. Yeah, it did almost stop, so more people will be heading outside, although it's not fresh. Look at this. All are empty because of the rain right now. Wow. But it is not fresh at all. Actually, it's all the other way around. It feels very humid because of the air, and it is worse probably than it was before the rain started. I'm not sure what has happened, but these clouds right there are the ones responsible for the weather that we're having right now. Wow, didn't expect this happening. You never know, and it shouldn't have been, but there we are, having some authentic summer rain all of a sudden out of the blue in our region. Here in Alber, right next to Benidorm, while Benidorm is enjoying some nice evening without even a piece of any kind of rain, almost at all. This is how things can happen and can shift in just no time, literally. Thank you for accompanying us. We wish you a lovely day, and we'll see you here on the channel tomorrow. Since today we've posted this video because it's out of nowhere, tomorrow we will post the news update instead. So this is the one you'll see this Saturday, and then we'll be posting the live video as usual. Live stream will be on Saturday at around 8 p.m. so make sure you join it to accompany us on a walk down Benidorm town and make your questions and suggestions and comments, whatever you feel like. We'll see you then. Goodbye.